Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beer glass cake. First, bake a round cake and a single cupcake. Level the round cake, then cut a small, circular hole in its center. Carefully place the cupcake upside down into this hole. This forms the sturdy base for your beer glass, giving it the perfect shape to begin building upon. It's a simple trick for a great start. Next, it's time to shape your cake into a beer glass. Using a serrated knife, carefully carve the cake, tapering it slightly towards the bottom. Aim for a classic pint glass silhouette. Once carved, place the cake in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Chilling helps firm up the cake, making it much easier to frost smoothly and achieve those crisp edges. Now for the delicious details. Apply a thin crumb coat of buttercream frosting to seal in any loose crumbs. Once set, cover the entire cake with a smooth layer of yellow or amber-colored frosting, mimicking the beer. For the foamy head, pipe white frosting on top, creating a realistic, bubbly effect. You can use a star tip for extra texture. To complete your beer glass cake, consider adding a handle. You can craft one from fondant or use a small, curved cookie attached with frosting. For an extra touch, lightly dust the cake with edible glitter to give it a frosty, chilled appearance. Your impressive and delicious beer glass cake is now ready to be presented and enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.